Modern macOS versions come with a super handy accessibility feature called Live Captions. Leveraging the power of on-device intelligence, it automatically shows captions in the supported apps. Notably, you can also enable the live captions in the FaceTime app on your Mac. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first we have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. Then select Accessibility, and under the Hearing section, choose Live Captions. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to Live Captions. And after that, you can choose the desired font, change the font size, select the preferred font color, and even tweak the background color of the live captions. Then ensure that the toggle for live captions in FaceTime is enabled as well. And that's pretty much it. Going forward, captions will appear in the FaceTime app. It will help you enhance your conversations with friends, dear ones, or even your clients. Now that you have unlocked this handy feature, make the most of it to enhance your FaceTime experience, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.